Now we're going to back up. So I'm going to put my car in reverse. The reason my left hand is at the top of the steering wheel is I'm going to relax my left arm. So you want the weight of it above the emblem of the steering wheel so that your weight of your arm's in the center. Because if it's to either side, your steering wheel's going to drift that way. Then I'm going to shift my body and I'm going to put my arm to the right. I'm going to start moving backwards and I'm looking out the back window. Then I'm going to scan my two side mirrors and make sure my steering wheel's flat. Then I look behind me again. Then I look and I scan my mirrors and my steering wheel one more time. After 2 times, you usually don't adjust it anymore. And then I look behind and then I just slowly ride my brake. You don't want any speed going backwards because people start to weave and then they lose control. If that ever happens, just stop. And that's how you back up.